Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to rebalance on M1 Finance. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and rebalance your portfolio in M1 Finance. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to your M1 Finance account. Next, click on Invest on the bottom hand side. Afterwards, go ahead and click on where it says buying power on the bottom banner. So you're going to see a tab there. So click next to buying power and then it should move up like this. So towards the middle, you're going to see a rebalance option. So go ahead and click on rebalance. And then there's going to be two ways so you could actually rebalance. You can rebalance in the next trade window or you could rebalance over time. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and rebalance on M1 Finance. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.